Okay, so I'm at Tubury Woods, and this is a turkey vulture. Here they seem to have like a lot of animals, like birds of prey, but we've also got a kookaburra that's just been laughing. These are Wolfius owls. There we are. Just see if we can get them without be meshing in the middle. This is a caped horn owl, which is that one right at the back. They've just been saying that all these birds not added birds that people spot, and either they've just got too much on. Oh, there's black kites over there as well.
Yeah, there's two. Oh, good lord. I think you might have startled him then. No.
Oh, they're racing. Let's race. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, still making noise.
Go!
Still making noise.
Try it. You try.
Can you do it again?
Can you try?
I don't know what was the noise like.
These are I've always wanted to kookaburra laugh. I've never heard one, and now we're laughing.
Try it. Try. 3, 2, 1. No,
Yeah, that is rubbish. I could get a complex here. Hello.
that one's off, but that one didn't. That one didn't. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, it's up there now.
Oh. Is that enough now? No. I'm a kookaburra whisperer.
That's the African spotted owl there.
That is brilliant. It actually sounds like a laugh, doesn't it? It actually sounds like a laugh.
I've never heard them before. These are American kestrels, I think, from the box. Oh. A lot smaller than ours, aren't they?
Very small. Like ours are not big, but they're small.
Oh, those kookaburras are still going.
It makes me laugh.
I've never heard them laugh like that. I've never heard them laugh at all, but that's awesome. In here are some chickens and cranes. One of these chickens tried to pick food for. I think it was this one. So do it again. No, it's not going to do it. The crane. Over here, I'm guessing these are eagle owls, but I'm not 100% sure. That is a eagle. They just said there's a milky owl in as well, but I can't find it. And then you got that, oh, is that one the milky owl? Oh, I thought that was the eagle owl.
Yeah,
That's the snowy owl. I've only seen Harry Potter will know that this is the type of owl that Egwig was.
So we don't know what happened there. So we had to put him in here on his own, and then we introduced Susie to him. But the way it is, you can never, if someone's got another one, you can never introduce male to the female. It's always got to be the other way around, because if the female is already in an aviary and you introduce a male, the female kill it. So it always has to be the other way.
No, we don't find anything more now.
Oh, great grey owl. Hmm?
They kill monkeys. Well, we said they done there,
Ah. Some of them haven't actually got on what they are, but this one is book owl. That's universal, I think. About that. Look at the dogs go. And did you see the back? That one in the eagle.
yeah.
Ow. A western screech owl. It's on there. This one in. Avisort?
Falcons or something.
Mm. That one's a Ural owl. I've never heard of these ones. Siberian Turkmenistan owl. That one's looking probably sound or something. That one doesn't look like it's got anything in, but there is the barn owl. I think this and the tawny owl is one that everybody really knows. Brown wood owl. Got that screech owl. Hello. Hello. Oh, has it just come out, or is it? This one's kind of like making a clicking click. Major. This is a mottled owl. Tunnel. I think this is the one that we were just buying at. Bengal eagle owl. Bengal eagles. And then got the great grey owls again. There are some others as well. Yeah. Just as I came in. These are there's this falconer really bad for it because apparently it's got cataracts and they just can't release it back into the wild. Well, like I said, none of these birds have come from the wild unless they're being rescued, and then they are released back into the wild. They've just been saying a lot of birds here have been donated from zoos that are closed down, or people's bought them as pets and they've not realised how long they live, or things like that. Or they've just not realised how much work there is to look after them. But this one, they've just been saying this one's got cataracts. But they just can't bring themselves to have it put down, which I can understand. This one is a right face scoops owl over there. This is a northern orc owl. And over here, he's disappeared. There is a steep eagle, but it's kind of gone hiding. We didn't see it when we came in, but that's what it looks like.
Alright, now we got to find them. How have you been for those?
Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. Oh, she's right at the back there. I can see her now. I don't know if you can see it, but she's on the shelf at the back. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. I'm going to fish now and have a look what I'm like. Okay, bye bye.